morning, everyone. Welcome to the first weekend of my life in LA for 2018. I'm so excited to be vlogging this weekend. I'm touring some houses. I have a maid coming, so my apartment's gonna be super clean. I have orientation for school tomorrow. I'm seeing Alicia. I have like literally so much going on. So if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. It's currently at 9:14 a.m. I woke up at 7, I got ready. I just filmed a video. I'm about to make some breakfast, but I've also been listening to a podcast. I actually found this from Peyton Sartain's Instagram, who's a blogger, my favorite blogger. Like, I mean, I'm friends with her, but I also love her blog. She shared a book on Instagram, and then I like bought the book, and then I found the podcast and the Tim Ferriss show. This is definitely more of like a business podcast, but you guys are always asking me for podcast recs, so I thought I'd let you know.
Oh, and everything you're supposed to get. So I created this whole lily pad chair.
Made some breakfast, heading to edit.
Come back, you still want TV.
Okay, it is now at 10:15. I'm about to head off to my house tour, and I'm meeting Sean in my lobby, and then we're gonna go. I'm so excited for today. I have my coffee, and then for my outfit, I'm just wearing this top from Fashion Nova, my Aloe leggings. They're like the best leggings ever. My bomber from Boohoo, which I haven't worn this in a while, but like I've worn it so many times. And then I just have my white Nikes. I could have just shown you a much easier way. Oh well. I love the trees. There's actual trees here, not fake palm trees. I love, oh my gosh, I lost my voice, sorry, so I can't talk sometimes. I love the gray.
Thank you.
Oh, this is so cute.
No one has lived here.
I love
No, it finished in 2017 recently.
Okay. What about a fridge?
Not a fridge.
Okay.
Not a fridge and not a washer dryer, but there is a laundry room.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's the latest one, so it's like if you do it, it vacuums. You are there?
3.
Makes sense. This is one of the bedrooms. It has plenty of closet space.
Oh yeah, that is good closet space.
So it'll be 2 of you and 1 person.
Moral support, yes. Oh, this is the wash
room, pantry.
Oh, that's convenient. Oh, this is big.
Yeah.
This is cute. Right?
Central heating, air conditioning.
This is really cute.
Line will be installed.
It feels so like different being. I like never am in houses in LA.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas originally. I've been out here for like 2 years though. Oh yeah, this is a good size.
Yeah, it's a master.
Oh, I love how okay, that's amazing. I love gray. Amazing. Yeah, this is much bigger than
the pictures. Everybody says that.
Yeah, it's much bigger. That's what I was saying, because I
belongs to this house as well.
Okay, awesome. This is cute. Yeah, I love the like space out here. I could get grass and cocoa. This is cute. Oh my gosh, the sun is so bright. Hey guys, look who's here.
It's been a while.
So, we just toured the house. Sean isn't moving there, but he went with me for moral support. It was really cute. It was like a little bit too north. Like, I didn't love the area, but the house was really cool. It was like on another property. I don't know. The house itself, I liked how it looked. And it was cool and it was nice. But like, I think we can do better, basically. So
I'll agree. Yeah, I think you could do better.
I think we could do better.
For the same price, there's probably better.
I agree. I totally agree. So anyways, I really just wanted to like go to our house so that I would feel like I was being proactive. I'm getting a real estate agent though, so like after this, out of my hands. But that's that.
I like the parking. Because I've been towed at your current establishment.
I know, and there's free guest parking too. That's the worst part.
Oh.
It's gonna be like a lot more, because I live in the city right now, so when I move it's gonna be like really relaxed and chill, which will probably be good because I'm about to be psychotic in 2018 with how much stuff I have to do.
I think you will need the quiet.
I think I will need the quiet because I'm about to have the busiest year of my life, so. Good.
And you are also like the kind of person who goes to places to do work. Like you go to like a coffee shop. I don't know if you do that every time, but like
I do that all the time.
But I think establishing like a quiet place at home and also having a workplace away from home, that's great.
Like,
and when you're in like the city, like down, are you okay?
I'm like, I was gonna say I completely agree, but
when you're downtown, everything is always so busy.
it's busy. It's busy, which I like, but I think it'll be a good mix, you know? I'm going to mail Sav's Christmas present. We're listening to Dua, and I just made some lunch. These are gonna be chicken Caesar wraps, but they're so good. What's wrong with me?
With me.
With me. Hey guys, we just made it to Long Beach. We have little Coco here. What is this called again? Rosie's Dog Beach?
Yeah, Rosie's Dog Beach.
Rosie's Dog Beach. We made hot chocolates. We're taking Coco to the beach. She's never been before. You can tell she's very excited. She has her bow and everything. So far, so good. So pretty. We've made it. People are playing music. It's super, super cute. My hair is now on my face. Yeah, I've been wanting to, I've been wanting to go with Sean and whoever else, but always Sean, to the beach with hot chocolate and blankets for like literally a year. And we always either go to the beach without hot chocolate or have hot chocolate without going to the beach. And here we are. I'm so happy. Hi, Coco. How do you like it? That's my hot chocolate. No. That's so rude.
Do you think she'd run around if you took her off?
She's off leash and she's still here.
Yeah.
Come on, Coco. Come here. Oh. Come on, this way. Cutie. So far, Coconut likes the beach. She's had a lot of fun. She's trying to run with the big dogs because she's used to like my friends' big dogs, but she doesn't get that like it doesn't work like that, you know, but she likes it. It's now like 10 p.m. and I have a lot of editing and work to get done tonight. Crazy Friday night, I know, but I wanted to show you guys my new organizer. Like, this stuff gets me so excited. Like, just look at how amazing all of this looks. By the way, to everyone asking, yes, I really do love my Nurse Jamie uplift thing. I'm actually about to show you guys in the vlog, but I freaking love all of this. I'm trying out some Drunk Elephant stuff right now, which it's really expensive, so I have just like a few things to see what I really like. But Drunk Elephant, if you're watching this, just kidding, they definitely aren't. I love this stuff. Like, it is so expensive, but it's so freaking amazing. So I'm gonna actually show that as well. But yeah, guys, this stuff is just wow. So I'm gonna be taking the Drunk Elephant. It is the glycolic night serum. So I got these on Amazon. My face looks a lot more red on camera than it does in real life. I don't really know why. I got these on Amazon and they're super small. Like, there's barely anything in the samples, and I think it's actually kind of laughable that I paid that much money for the samples. But oh my gosh, it is so amazing. I use my Nurse Jamie uplift thing. I sound like I really know what I'm talking about. After serums, you don't have to, but I just typically do. Honestly, I have a lot. I don't know which one was meant to go with the night serum. I have like a ton more just sitting here. So I'm gonna use the intensive hydration gel. I don't know if that's really what I'm supposed to use. This stuff is amazing. I've just been passion planning. Freaky Friday is on. Sean just left and now I'm going to edit. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So I just spent my morning, it is only like 10:30, filming a productive morning routine, and I went to SoulCycle, so I am feeling good. I'm about to go get my coolant level fixed. Not fixed, but like I need more coolant, like whatever, car stuff. I'm about to go do some car stuff. And then I have my college orientation today, which I'm very excited for. Obviously, I'm not gonna vlog there, but I'm gonna vlog today, and I'm also getting coffee with Alicia, which will be really, really fun. Hey, baby Coco. My sweater is from Zaful. You guys will see in my morning routine, which is already up. So you guys check it out. This is like the softest thing ever. On this Yeti last night. This probably feels like deja vu if you watch my morning routine. But I packed up my bag and I am ready for the day. So my car stuff took like 5 minutes because they are the best and they also love me, and I called ahead. So now I'm like literally an hour. I have an hour until I need to head to my orientation. So I'm going to clean up my car because it's really bad, really horrible. It's a lot of trash and just stuff that should go in my trunk, which is also where I shove things. So I'm so happy today. I don't even know why. I'm just in a really good mood. This coffee is really good. I found this Yeti last night in my trunk. Look how organized my back seat is. That is so impressive. Good job, me. Just finished orientation. Now it's my daily FaceTime with Molly. Hey guys. We've been FaceTiming quite a lot lately.
Beautiful.
Molly, we're gonna be reunited in 13 days.
I know, I'm so excited.
Like a week from when this vlog goes up. Ah, I'm so excited. I just need to document my parking spot. That is Alfred's right there, and my parking spot is literally right here. Like that doesn't happen here. Melrose is so busy and the parking here sucks. That is amazing. Hey guys, I'm at Alfred's with Alicia. Look at how cute these coffee, like I literally texted Alicia earlier and I was like, can we go to Alfred's because the sleeves are so cute.
Wait,
Here
I
we
got
are.
one the other day that was like, what was it?
I think I saw it on your Instagram.
CEO.
Yeah, that's the one I have.
Oh yeah.
Which, what do you have?
Brains are the new beauty.
Ah, oh, so cute. It is now 6:30. We were there for hours. My phone died. It's been dead for the past 2 hours and we literally just like sat outside and talked for hours. That's what Alicia and I always do, but it was just so good. Like, oh, I needed to have that time without my phone, just talking. It was just so good. I had a great time. So I'm actually heading back. My cousin, who if you guys don't know, is now living with me. And he's gonna like move into the house with me and stuff like that. But he just got back in town today and I haven't seen him in a few weeks. So that's exciting. And then I think I might see Taylor tonight. I'm not really sure. It's a Saturday night. I kind of wanted to get work done, but like sometimes maybe I should just not work all the time. But maybe we'll see. We'll see what I do. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Still don't have my voice back. Look who's back. This is Justin, my cousin, if you guys didn't know and didn't watch Vlogmas. But we are going to brunch with my other cousin, Alyssa. We got the best parking job and I got the best parking job yesterday too. Did you see my Instagram story at Alfred's?
I don't think I did, no.
Well, fake fan. I was like right in front of Alfred's.
Holidays.
I was so in front of Alfred's. It was amazing. Okay. Are you like sweating in here? Oh wait. Hello? He's here. Hey! This is my other cousin Alyssa. We're having Justin take Instagram photos for us and he's really hungry, so he's really mad at us.
Even though he wants boomerangs.
Yeah,
on the
but
ring.
I can take 6 boomerangs of him. But
he won't take 2 photos of us.
Yes, pretty much.
I call BS. Oh.
So you can take a photo for you.
And how many eggs does he need today? 4?
Thank you.
Okay.
This is the song I listen to on the way to church every week. I'm not kidding.
I don't dance now. I make money moves.
We all know Robert Streams. Can I ask you one more time and say, can we get faith and how to use this?
Hey guys, Sunday afternoon. Got a nice chai. I'm at Starbucks. I have a cleaning lady actually at my apartment right now because that was like my New Year treat to myself. I wanted to start off like really clean in my apartment. It's just not. I paid for it. It was worth it. I got a deal on it. It's fine. So my wireless headphones have drastically improved my life in ways that I didn't know were imaginable. I have literally so much to get done. So I'm outside working because I have Coconut here with me. But this book that I got in the mail yesterday, I think I already talked about it in this vlog, but Tim Ferriss, who is the guy that I've been listening to his podcast all weekend, so good. But it's Tools of Titans, it's the tactics, routines, and habits of billionaires, icons, and world-class performers. It is amazing, and like, look how big it is. Like, there's so much. The first thing I flipped to yesterday, by chance, was Casey Neistat, so I thought it was kind of funny. But it is amazing. I just started it. I stayed home on a Saturday night to read it, but I just want to learn, and I'm learning a lot. I'll talk about this probably more if I find anything that I like, or like on my Instagram or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna get so much editing done because I have so much work to get done before the school year starts. Oh my gosh. You You can tell I'm going crazy. Hour 5 of editing. Got 2 videos done. Still have another video to go. Watching the Golden Globes. But it's Sunday night. I need to relax a little bit. So I'm gonna go take a shower. I need to do like a face mask or something. Self-tan, all that stuff. For self-tanner, I just use Loving Tan. I also just tried out this new jelly mask from First Aid Beauty. I put it on before I went in the shower and it was amazing. Like the consistency is so cool. So I'll let you guys know how I like this like as time goes on. So I just made myself some tea and then I made some mac and cheese for dinner because I'm that lazy. Gonna get a little bit of reading done. I'm probably gonna read this book some more. May flip through a few of these, not really sure. Sunday night, I want to just kind of relax and chill. Actually, no, I want to work, but I should relax and chill. So that is what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend of my life vlog. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you soon.